Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to draw this slice of pizza step by step. Stick around. Hi everybody, we are going to draw a pizza step by step. It's just going to be a slice of pizza. All you need is a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. Watch what I do and then you do it right on your piece of paper. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. Draw a circle on the left and then a circle on the right for the ay-yi-yis. Next, we are going to put pupils in the eyes on the left and then on the right. Just circles that you fill on in. A little bit of a curved line on the left and a little bit of a curved line on the right. Now we are going to draw the crust. A curved line on the left going all the way towards the right and then connect. Ready? Cool!
If you want to see my Capo Toon shirt, here it is.
Now we are going to draw the nose below the eyes, and it's going to be kind of a funny curved line for the nose. Do you nose the way to San Jose? I like pizza. I know many of you like pizza. Let's make a smiling face on our pizza. A U, and then another U, and then a line on the left and a line on the right. Ready? Cool! Let's go up to the top of the pizza above the eyes. An upside down letter V. Totally ready? Cool! Now let's draw the arms. 2 lines up on the left and 2 lines up on the right. Ready? Cool! Let's draw the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally cool. Now let's draw the legs. 2 curved lines on the left, and then 2 curved lines on the right. Oh yeah! On the left, we're going to draw a curved line for the foot, and on the right, we're going to draw a curved line for the foot. In this section, put whatever you would like on your pizza. If you like mushrooms, you could put mushrooms. If you like bell peppers, you could put bell peppers. If you like pineapple, you could put pineapple. Just in this section over here. Also, you could put olives, you name it, just right below the mouth for all the ingredients on your pizza. You are building your own special cartoon pizza.
This is my hamburger tomato. This is my skateboarding hamburger. We have here, like this, and right there. This is my hamburger. The food fish. And we got the flipping hamburger. This is my hamburger. His name is Slushy. He just got back from the skate park and he does cool tricks.
Let's add a caption. I'm gonna write pizza time. P-I-Z-Z-A with a dot right over the I and then time. T-I-M-E with an exclamation point. Take your time with your printing and practice, practice, practice. Now let's draw this speech bubble going all the way around. I'm going to make mine like a big oval or a circle and then draw a small letter V so it looks like your pizza is talking. Pizza time! I like to add action lines to make it look like your cartoon is moving. Curved lines on the left, and then on the right at the bottom, and then at the top of our pizza. And there you go for your pizza. I am hungry for pizza. Raise your hand if you're hungry. 1, 2, 3. A lot of you are. Awesome job for pizza time. Totally radical. We just drew this pizza step by step. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Thank you so much for watching. It's Capo Toon Time, where you learn how to draw cartoons step by step. It's called Distance Learning Cartooning. Radical.